Test series 14. So the first question is, which of the following is true in case of Prime Minister of India? Option A, the President appoints the Prime Minister. B, the Prime Minister is elected by Parliament. C, the Prime Minister is elected by Lok Sabha. And D, the Prime Minister functions as the leader of parliamentary party in Lok Sabha. So here, the correct answer is option A, the President appoints the Prime Minister. So second question, which of the following had Chandragupta Maurya revolted against the Nalanda king as a plot? So which book has explained about the Chandragupta Maurya revolt against Nalanda king as plot? So option A, Kautilya's Ardhashastra. B, Vishakadatta's Mudra Rakshasa. C, Patanjali's Mahabhyasa. D, Megasthenes Indica. So the correct answer is option B, Vishakadatta's Mudra Rakshasa. So here, Kautilya's Ardhashastra tells about the political diplomacy, and Megasthenes Indica is an important source for restructuring ancient India under Mauryan Empire. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option B. So the third question is, who were the Mughals who ruled India originally? Option A, Turks. Option B, Mongols. C, Afghans. And D, Arabs. So the correct answer is option A, Turks. Next question, Jaimini was the exponent of Purva Mimamsa. Who was the exponent of Uttara Mimamsa? Now here, the exponent means the person who supports the idea. Okay, here Purva Mimamsa means prior study and Uttara Mimamsa means the posterior study. Okay, so here options, coming to the options, option A, Patanjali. B, Gautama. C, Kapil. And D, Vyasa. So the correct answer for this is option D, Vyasa. Okay, Vyasa was the exponent of Uttara Mimamsa. Now fifth question, who of the following is also known as Maliki Baran? Option A, Ibrahim Qutub Shah. B, Nizam ul Mulk. C, Abdul Hassan. D, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. So the correct answer for this is option A, Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah. Now coming to the sixth question, Nizam ul Mulk was the founder of option A, Qutub Shahi dynasty. B, Asaf Jahi dynasty. C, Adil Shahi dynasty. D, none of the above. So the correct answer is option B. Nizam ul Mulk was the founder of Asaf Jahi dynasty, and the founder of Qutub Shahi dynasty is Quli Qutub Shah, and Adil Shahi dynasty is Yusuf Adil Shah. Seventh question, do or die was one of the most powerful slogans of Indians' freedom struggle. Who gave the slogan? Option A, Gandhi ji. B, Jawaharlal Nehru. C, Balad Gangadhar Tilak. D, Subhash Chandra Bose. The correct answer is option A, Gandhi ji. Eighth question, why do we always see the same phase of the moon? Option A, because it is smaller than the earth. B, because it revolves on its axis in the direction opposite to the earth. C, because it takes equal time for both revolution on its own axis. D, because it rotates with the same speed as the earth around the sun. So the correct answer for this is option C, because it takes equal time for both revolution on its own axis. Revolution and on its own axis. Okay. So the ninth question is, which of the following cities never get the vertical rays of the sun? Okay. This is sun. Okay. So the options are Hyderabad, B, Delhi, C, Kolkata, and D, Mumbai. So the correct answer is B, Delhi. Okay, see, any place outside the tropics will never get vertical sun rays during noon. Okay, so Delhi is one of the cities. So Delhi never gets vertical sun rays at noon. So tenth question, which of the following organizations prepare biographical maps of India? Option A, Geological Survey of India. B, Survey of India. C, Ministry of Defense, D. National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. So the correct answer is option A, Geological Survey of India. Okay, this is the organization which prepares biographical maps of India. 11th question, which of the following is a nomadic tribe? Option A, Eskimos, B, Boro, C, Pygmy, D, Maasai. Here in the question, what is nomadic? Nomadic means a group of tribes who have no fixed home. So the correct answer is Pygmies. Okay, they live in tropical Africa. So they are one of the nomadic tribes. Here Eskimos actually live in North Canada, Alaska, Greenland, Siberia. Okay, Boro are the tribes of Assam state and Maasai are the tribes of Kenya and Tanzania. Okay, now the 12th question is, which of the following has the highest salinity? Option A, Dead Sea, B, Caspian Sea, C, Uttar Lake, D, Red Sea. So the correct answer is option A, Dead Sea. Okay, because of its high salinity, people float on the sea, on this sea. Okay, now I'll ask you one question. Which is the largest lake? The largest lake is the Caspian Sea. Okay, so here this Dead Sea is a landlocked salt lake. Okay, so it is between Israel and Jordan, and Caspian Sea is the world's largest lake, and Russia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Iran surround this Caspian Sea. And now Uttar Lake is the freshwater lake in the US, and Red Sea. Why it is called Red Sea even though its water is not red? Because the coral reefs which are present under the surface of water gives a beautiful red color. So for that reason it is called a Red Sea. So now coming to the 13th question, which of the following has the longest sea coast? Option A, Andhra Pradesh, B, Kerala, C, Maharashtra, D, Odisha. The correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. 14th question, which of the following is the greatest delta in the world? Option A, Ganges Delta, B, Nile Delta, C, Mississippi Delta, D, Amazon Delta. The correct answer is option A, Ganges Delta. 15th question, the world's large fishing grounds are found at the junction of option A, warm and cold currents, B, continent and ocean, C, forest and sea, D, mountain and sea. So the correct answer is option A. It is found at the junction of warm and cold currents. Now coming to the 16th question, which of the following countries produce the largest quantity of long staple cotton in the entire world? Option A, China, B, India, C, Egypt, D, USA. The correct answer is option C, Egypt. 17th question, which of the following is the highest peak in India? Option A, Mount Everest, B, Kanchenjunga, C, K2, D, Kailash. The correct answer for this is option B, Kanchenjunga. Okay, here K2 is present at Pakistan LAC. Okay, for that reason K2 is not considered as India's highest peak. So at present the highest peak of India is Kanchenjunga and its height is 8,586 meters. Okay, now what is the height of Mount Everest? It is 8848. So next, coming to the 18th question, which of the following rivers is elder than the Himalayas? Option A, Ganga, B, Yamuna, C, Kosi and D, Brahmaputra. The correct answer for this is option D, Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra river is the eldest than the Himalayas. So option D is the correct answer. Now coming to 19th question, which of the following states has large tracts of black cotton soil? Option A, Assam, B, Bihar, C, Punjab, D, Maharashtra. The correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. 20th question, which of the following continents are separated by Mediterranean Sea? Option A, Asia and Europe, B, Europe and Africa, C, North America and South America, and D, Asia and Africa. The correct answer is option B, Europe and Africa. 21st question, Bhima is a tributary of option A Krishna, B Godavari, C Narmada, D Kaveri. Option A Krishna is the correct answer. Bhima is a tributary of river Krishna, and Narmada is a west flowing river in South India, and the other river which flows towards west is Tapi. Okay, so now coming to the 22nd question, in Assam shifting cultivation is known as option A Bewar, C Padu, C Joom, D Onam. The correct answer is option C Joom. Okay, so Bewar is the type of cultivation in Uttar Pradesh, Padu is in Andhra Pradesh, and Onam is a type of cultivation in Kerala. Now 23rd question, who has the constitutional authority to decide the tax share of the states in India? Option A Ministry of Finance, B Finance Commission, C Planning Commission, and D National Development Council. The correct answer is option B Finance Commission. 24th question, proclamation of constitutional emergency results in option A declaration of president's rule or governance rule, B suspension of rights to freedom, C cut in salaries of employees, D conducting mid-term elections. The correct answer is option B, that is suspension of the right to freedom. 25th question, which of the following is a basic feature of the Constitution? Option A federation, B secularism, C judicial review, D judicial activism. The correct answer is judicial activism, option D. Here, judicial decisions that appear to be based on the personal or political motives rather than that established by law is called judicial activism. And in other words, the judges interrupt their own personal feelings into a conviction or a sentence. So that is about judicial activism, which is a basic feature of the Constitution.